In 2024, developers are caught in a strange paradox. Artificial intelligence promises to make us more productive than ever, yet it often feels like it's draining our time, money, and even our sanity. Many of us have experienced the frustration. You spot a $10 app that solves your problem, but instead of buying it, you try to build your own version with AI. Days and hundreds of dollars later, you end up with something that barely works. This is the reality for many developers today. Some, like popular streamer Coding Garden, have even given up on AI tools, while companies like NVIDIA are doubling down, reporting massive productivity boosts. So, what's the real story? Is AI a blessing or a curse for developers? AI coding can feel like a gamble. When you get the right prompt, it's exhilarating. But more often, you find yourself stuck on what's been dubbed the prompt treadmill of hell. You keep tweaking your prompts, burning through credits and hours, but never quite get the code you need. This cycle is exhausting and can make you question whether AI is really helping at all. The key question becomes, how do we move from this unreliable, luck-based approach to something more consistent and powerful? Is there a way to make AI a true partner in development, rather than a source of frustration? The answer to breaking this cycle lies in a new standard, Model Context Protocol, or MCP servers. In simple terms, an MCP server is a standardized way for your AI coding agent to communicate with external systems. Think of them as translators or plugins that allow your AI to interact directly with your local apps, remote servers, or third-party APIs. This means your AI can access real-time, structured data and tools, making it far more effective and reliable. If you're not already using MCP servers in your workflow, you might be missing out on a huge productivity boost. MCP servers act as bridges between your AI tools and the rest of your development environment. They enable tools like Claude Code, Cursor, or Windsurf to interact with your local applications, remote servers, or APIs. This direct connection gives your AI access to the actual tools and data you use every day, making its assistance much more relevant and accurate. Instead of guessing or hallucinating, your AI can now operate with real context, leading to better results and less wasted effort. If you're not already integrating MCP servers into your workflow, you're falling behind. These servers are quickly becoming essential for modern developers who want to leverage AI effectively. By providing real-time structured access to your tools and data, MCP servers transform AI from a guessing game into a powerful, quasi-deterministic assistant. Let's dive into 7 practical MCP servers that can supercharge your development process and solve real-world problems. First up is the Spelt MCP Server, designed specifically for Svelte developers. AI often struggles to generate proper Svelte code, sometimes mixing in React.js components by mistake. The Spelt MCP Server solves this by equipping your AI with the correct Svelte documentation and access to a Svelte autofixer. It performs static analysis and cleans up your code, ensuring it's idiomatic and free from React artifacts. This means you can trust your AI to generate high-quality Svelte code every time. Next is the Figma MCP Server, a game-changer for front-end developers. Manually translating Figma designs into code is tedious and time-consuming. With the Figma MCP Server, your AI can connect to your Figma app or cloud account, pull design files, and automatically implement them in HTML and CSS. Whether you need React components, Tailwind classes, or iOS UI elements, this server eliminates manual drudgery and speeds up your workflow. Integrating payment systems is always high stakes. The Stripe MCP Server ensures your AI uses the correct API version and provides tools to access live data in your Stripe account. This means you can automate payment workflows, fetch documentation, and even process transactions with confidence. However, caution is advised. One wrong prompt could trigger unintended actions, so always double-check before deploying changes. Bugs in AI-generated code can be hard to catch. The Sentry MCP Server allows your AI to query Sentry directly, pulling the latest issues and errors before you even see them. This creates a powerful feedback loop. Your AI can fix problems on the fly, reducing downtime and improving code quality. By integrating monitoring and development, you can catch and resolve issues faster than ever. Managing tickets and issues can be a huge drain on your time. The Atlassian or GitHub MCP Server lets your AI automatically pull issues and tickets from Jira or GitHub. You can prompt your AI to fix issues and close tickets, all while you focus on more important tasks. This automation streamlines your workflow and frees you from tedious ticket triage. Scaling and managing cloud infrastructure is complex and error-prone. MCP servers for providers like AWS, Cloudflare, and Vercel allow your AI to provision resources, manage deployments, and scale your app automatically. Robots don't forget to shut down expensive instances, saving you money and reducing the risk of human error. With these servers, your infrastructure becomes smarter and more reliable. Sometimes, you need something highly specialized. The beauty of the MCP standard is that you can build your own server for any use case, whether it's accessing custom data sources, managing your smart home, or anything else you can imagine. MCP frameworks are available for every major programming language, making it easier than ever to create custom solutions tailored to your workflow. Once you've built a custom MCP server, you'll need a place to deploy it. Platforms like Svelte, a modern successor to Heroku, are ideal for this purpose. They combine the power of Google Kubernetes Engine with Cloudflare's network, allowing you to deploy full-stack apps, databases, and MCP servers without getting bogged down in complex configurations. You get real environment pipelines, analytics, and easy scaling all in one place. The era of isolated, guessing AI is over. By connecting our AI assistants directly to the tools that define our workflow from design and payments to monitoring and infrastructure, we transform them into powerful, context-aware partners. This shift means AI can finally deliver on its promise of boosting productivity and reducing frustration. With the right MCP servers, your AI becomes a true collaborator, not just a code generator. It's time to step off the prompt treadmill of hell. Stop letting AI waste your time and money. By equipping your workflow with the right MCP servers, you can unlock new levels of productivity and sanity. Whether you're automating code fixes, managing infrastructure, or building custom solutions, MCP servers are the key to making AI work for you. The future of development is context-aware, precise, and powerful. Don't get left behind.